Uh-huh. What else is in there?
C.
Yes, that's right. It's a Z. Yeah, that's an A. That's all. Good job. P. Mm-hmm.
K.
Yeah, that's right. That's a K.
A.
Yeah.
D. A.
Yeah. Yeah, that's another A. Good job. Or is that an A? What is that? It kind of looks like one. I don't think it's an A.
A.
H?
I.
Where's an I?
G. I.
I don't think that's an I. Yeah, it's a J. Good job. Looks like an I, though. What else can you find? Is that fun? Oh, what's that?
A.
Is that another A? Yeah, it sure is. What other letters are in there? What other letters are in there? Oh yeah, let's dump them out. Woohoo! What do you have there?
E.
Gee, good job. Woohoo!
O.
That's right. It's an R.
O.
What's that one?
O.
What's this one? Oh, that one might
I.
be. That's an I, yeah.
I.
That's another I. What else do you have down there?
E.
V.
Baby.
Yeah.
Y.
That's a Y, yep. What was that one? What's that one?
N.
N. Good job. What's this one?
C.
It's a Z, yeah. What's that one?
E. O.
Oh, no. Oh, J, yes, good job.
K. L.
Uh-huh. The letters are everywhere. That one's tough.
O. E.
Yeah, very good. Good job, Liam. Woohoo!